Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Okay, today we are going to continue our topic transportation, the blood circulatory system. Before class we discussed about up to the blood capillaries. So before blood capillaries there is a small topic which is circulatory system. So I missed the topic, so I will say in this video. So before going to discuss about the circulatory system, let us see one important thing. So before, at the time of William Harvey, people think that the blood in our body is used up and the new blood cells are formed. Means when heart pumps the blood for one contraction, so the heart pumps blood for one contraction and one relaxation. After the which blood is pumped, how much blood is pumped, after the usage of that blood, new blood cells are formed and again new blood is formed. The people might think like that at the olden times. Okay, but William Harvey did not agree that. So William Harvey, he introduced circulatory systems. At the olden days, people think that blood is used up and new blood cells are formed. So people might think like that. But William Harvey, he introduced one circulatory system called as double circulatory system. Okay, please note this point. Okay, he introduced a double circulatory system. So what is meant by double circulatory system? He argued that the new blood cells are not formed. So we are only using the blood in different processes. We are using the same blood, no new blood cells are formed. We are using the same blood with the help of double circulatory system. What is double circulatory system? Means you circulate the circulation of the blood through the heart, which happens twice, once between the heart and lungs and once between the heart and body parts. Okay, the circulation of blood which is happening through the heart twice, 2 times. So first time between heart and lungs, the circulation of blood. So next time between heart and body parts. Here in this double circulatory system, there are 2 circuits involved, which is first one is pulmonary circuit and another one is systemic circuit. Okay. First one is pulmonary circuit and second one is systemic circuit. So to understand these 2 topics or these 2 circuits, so we will see one diagram, we will see one series of circulation between the auricles and the ventricles and between lungs and body parts. So what is pulmonary circuit? So pulmonary circuit, we all know what is the pulmonary artery which is carrying heart to lungs and lungs to heart, the blood. So the circulation which involves the circulation of blood between the heart and lungs and heart. So let us see the first of all diagram. See, starting from the right ventricle, the blood passes through pulmonary artery and pulmonary artery to lungs. This is what heart to lungs, the right ventricle, which is one of the chambers in our heart. The blood passes from right ventricle to pulmonary artery. What is pulmonary artery here? The artery which is carrying blood from right ventricle of the heart to lungs is called pulmonary artery. So only the thing we know here is about pulmonary artery, which is carrying blood from right ventricle to lungs. We no need to by heart this. You only needs to know the definition of this pulmonary artery. So here the circulation of blood from heart to lungs is over. Now lungs to heart. How the blood transfers from lungs to heart, which is helping here? Pulmonary vein is helping. Okay, here pulmonary vein is helping. We all know that arteries are carrying blood from heart to organs and veins are carrying from organs to heart. And from lungs to heart again, lungs to pulmonary vein, and which auricle we have here? Left auricle. So left auricle. This is the pulmonary circuit. This is a diagram of pulmonary circuit. This is a series, okay? This is a series of pulmonary circuit up to here, okay? The blood is first of all carrying from right ventricle to pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery to lungs, lungs to pulmonary vein, and pulmonary vein to left auricle. See, this is over. Now, when we come to heart to body parts, this is systemic circuit. Here systemic artery involves. Systemic artery is also known as aorta. So that is why this is called the circulation of blood from heart to body parts, which involves systemic artery, is called systemic circuit. Up to lungs and heart is over. Now heart to body parts. So when heart to body parts, we have left ventricle. So why? Because here we left ventricle, because systemic artery carrying blood from left ventricle to body parts, right? That's why here left ventricle to systemic artery or aorta. We simply call as aorta. No need again systemic artery. We simply call as aorta, the largest artery. Now aorta to body parts. See, here this involves left ventricle to aorta, aorta to body parts. The heart to body parts is over. Heart means here left ventricle, body parts, which is carrying systemic artery. Now again body parts to heart, which is the veins are carrying here. Here which vein is carrying means superior vena cava and inferior vena cava are carrying body parts, which only just write are veins. It's enough. So body parts to veins. Here see, systemic artery or superior vena cava, superior vena cava or inferior vena cava involves right auricle. So we all know that superior and inferior vena cava are carrying blood from body parts to the right auricle of the heart, okay, from lower and upper body parts. This is the series of double circulatory system. It's very easy, no need to by heart this system. First of all, pulmonary circuit, heart to lungs and lungs to heart. First of all, heart to lungs, right ventricle to pulmonary artery and lungs, over. Now lungs to heart, lungs to pulmonary vein and left auricle, over. Now systemic circuit, which means heart to body parts and body parts to heart. Left ventricle to aorta. Yes, left ventricle to aorta to body parts. Now heart to body parts is over. Now body parts to heart, body parts to veins and right auricle. Okay, again after right auricle, again starting. After right auricle will come again. After right auricle, we will come again to right ventricle. Okay. Okay. Why? Because here the double circulatory system stops and again we will continue from heart to lungs. This is about the double circulatory system and the William Harvey experiments. So by this the blood vessels and circulation is over. After this, in your textbook we have blood vessels, which is done by blood capillaries, which is done by Marcello Malpighi. I already explained in before video. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the structure and the differences between arteries and veins and cardiac cycle. Okay friends, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in our next video.